On this channel, we don't like fictional leaks, but when we've got photos, it's a different matter. Is this a new drone from DJI? Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and very early this morning, a website called Kantaji, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, distributed some insider leaked photos of what looks like a new DJI drone. Of course, Asita LV on Twitter shared the photos as well, giving no credit to the original source and doing so many hours later. But the source is linked in the video description below, so do check it out. Looking through the photos, we can see what looks to be something between the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 range, but a much smaller form factor. The first photo here shows clearly that it's got optical flow sensors underneath, as well as 2 infrared sensors. It's also got an underside LED illumination light, just like the illumination lights on the Mavic 2 to illuminate the ground when you're landing in lower light. The next photo is a side profile which shows that this drone looks just like the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Mini. DJI are really struggling to get away from this form factor, largely because it works. In the next photo we get our first glimpse of the gimbal, which does look a little bit suspicious to me, but this probably is an early prototype or something similar. But it does look to be a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. We don't have any visibility of the camera, unfortunately, so we can't make any estimates as to what that might be. But again, that underside photo does confirm 2 optical flow sensors, an LED illuminator, as well as 2 infrared sensors. The next photo is one of the rear, and we can see the 2 very distinctive holes there, just as the Mavic 2 has for obstacle avoidance. That means this drone has obstacle avoidance on the back. That's of course a good sign. Finally, we get a shot of this very odd looking transmitter, and this is like nothing we've seen before, moving very far away from the current form factor of the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Mini transmitter. Personally, I don't like the look of this one bit. Now, this leak gives no indication as to what model this might be. An interesting point about this drone pictured in the photos is its size, because it looks very similar to the Mavic Mini, but clearly the design of it is far more robust. Perhaps it is the Mavic Air 2, a drone that people do love, but it was missing OcuSync. If this drone is filling that market segment and it has OcuSync, then it will be very popular. But ultimately, I don't like leaks that are based on nothing but rumors, but here we have photos, and that makes this very different. Keep watching, because more news will be coming very soon. Who knows when or if this might be released. Remember that leaks for the Mavic 2 were out long before we ever saw the drone actually on the shelves, so we still might be 6 or 12 months away from any kind of real release. But watch this space, click subscribe, comment below with what this drone might be or what you'd like it to be. We like to give credit on DroningON to the original sources. It was not Asita LV that shared this, it was Kantaji. So have a look at the link in the video description for more information. And thanks very much for watching.